Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to use Duckduckgo application in computer. So how to use Duckduckgo application in computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to the Duckduckgo application on your computer. Well, this is on the initial display of your Duckduckgo. Here it is already on the initial display of the Duckduckgo application. Now here we try to enter YouTube. In the search, type YouTube and enter. Here automatically will not be able to open YouTube. How to do it? We go to search again. And type in full youtube.com and tap enter. Now here you can enter YouTube. Still, here you have to log into your Gmail account first here to enjoy YouTube. Next, let's try to search again. In the search, type Google and tap. Here automatically will not be able to open Google. How to do it? We go to search again. google.com and tap enter. Well, here you can enter Google. This means that the Duckduckgo application here asks for a complete address for searching, so that's it, the tutorial how to use Duckduckgo application in computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.